Morning to all my students. Take out your new Radiant Readers Class 4 book. Today I will start the new chapter. The name of the chapter is The Cruel King of the Jungle 1. Long ago there lived a cruel lion in the thick jungle. He called himself the King of the Jungle. He was a terrible and cunning king. When he saw any animal, big or small, moving about in the jungle, he came out of his hiding place. He pounced on the animal and killed him. So all the beasts of the jungle were frightened of the lion. So long time ago, there lived a cruel lion. Cruel means a willful, which is causing pain to others. Okay, lion, which was living in a thick jungle. He was calling himself as a king of the jungle. He said himself that I am the king of the jungle. He was very terrible and cunning king. Means he was a very deceitful king. When he saw any animal, big or small, he would move in the jungle and he would come out from his hiding place and he would pounce. Means he was suddenly sprang so as to catch the animal, pounced on the animal and killed him. And after that, the lion would kill that animal, and so all the beasts of the jungle were frightened of the lion. So all the beasts means an animal which is a large 4-footed one. We are very frightened of the lion. So all the animals which is large 4-footed one, we are very afraid of the lion. The poor animals at last met to find out some way of getting rid of the lion. It was a big gathering of many animals. They were cows and deers, bulls and buffaloes, goats and sheep. So the poor animal at last they met how they will find out how they will get out of this trouble of the lion. It was a big gathering. So they have done a big gathering of many animals came in that gathering. The animal who came in the gathering were cows, deer, bulls and buffaloes, goats and sheep. They were monkeys and mice, horses and foxes, snakes and squirrels and jackals. Even many birds came to the meeting. They were cows and vultures, owls and kites, and many other birds. They began to discuss how to be free from their wicked and cruel ruler. So the monkeys, mice, horses and fox, snakes and squirrel and even jackal also came in that gathering, and even birds also came to that meeting. And crows, vultures, cows, kites and many other birds also came to attend that gathering, and they began to discuss how they would be free from this wicked means evil and cruel ruler. Each animal said something about his own difficulties. The deer said, I can escape from the lion quite easily, for my feet can carry me away very swiftly. But the lion is so sly that he catches us with his tricks. I agree, said the bull. He is rock. So each animal said about their difficulty. So the deer said, I could escape from the lion as my feet can carry me very swiftly. But the lion is so sly. So he is saying the lion is very cunning and deceitful in nature. He could catch his prey with his trick. I agree, said the bull. Bulls is also agree with the deer. He is a rock. Rock means a dishonest person. He pounces upon us cunningly, otherwise I could pierce my strong horns right through his body and throw him up in the air. So he is saying he is pierce. He could cut through his sharp instrument with his strong horns through the lion body and would throw him in the air. But the lion is very cunning. Thus, one after another, the animals began to complain. At last, they shouted, "The lion must be killed." So, one by one, they were complaining, the animals, and at last, all of them shouted that we should kill the lion. So, that's all.